coding is based on, I'll show you the book, is based on a classification system set up by the World Health Organization. And basically what it is every diagnosis or procedure, any condition, injury that a patient has is translated from the clinical, like the word pneumonia, to a number system. And the number for pneumonia is 486. What doctors do is read the entire medical record and translate all the patient's diagnoses, all the verbal documentation that the physicians have put on the patient, and change it into this number classification system. So these classification numbers are used on the patient's bill. That's how doctors and hospitals bill insurance companies, because it would be too hard to send the whole medical record to the insurance company and have them read the entire patient's visit and say, okay, well, we should pay you for this service and that service. You know, it's an important link between clinicians and the administrative side of healthcare. Coding programs, which usually last for about a year, or you can get trained as a coder within an associate's degree program or a bachelor's degree. And those degrees are in health information. What you have to have, the background that they give you in the training programs and in the degree programs, is very strong in anatomy and physiology, pharmacology, knowing all the different medications, what they're used for. Because basically you have to be someone who can, you know, you have to have a logical mindset. You have to have that clinical mindset. Like, you get a whole cart of medical records and you begin reading. And you read all the lovely doctor's documentation, which is pretty difficult to read because the handwriting is not very good. And then you enter it. We have a couple of different software systems that we line up. So if a patient has, for example, diabetes, and it gives us the code number for it. And work environment is an office, or as I said, now a lot of coders work remotely from their home. And they usually typically work with a scanning system. So medical records are scanned into a database. Following all the new trends, reading about surgical procedures, and just knowing what the latest state is of medical care.